the North Pole to cool us off, man. For sure.
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga pitusili ole tau. Ole la fome ole pepa tala oloa. Ona fa ngale fa tawa oloa e nga mo ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ele sa so fua tawa ele sia sa.
Ni fia foi sa we mo mawina ni foi au nang fo ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana fa tau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Sai mo le talo pa voucher. Ua mau ele apusu se o fine. So se para loa fa ngo fie. A me se le fer wa i mala telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo la fo mer cash. Ona ino le tama ore ainga.
Fa te tu la vole talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo fa tai. Ma lu la le tsam fai.
Pa tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
For the next generation of growers and farmers in the Pacific, may you find your own rhythm on the land. May you grow and teach others how to grow with love. May your skills and intuition continue to nourish, nurture, and advise those who need it.
Talofa lava everyone. Ma lore so for mo malangi mama. And a warm Pacific greetings to everyone who's tuned in for your Monday. It's 20 more days, I believe, till Christmas, but...
Oh, actually, no, because if today's the 6th, that means there's 19 days.
19, sorry, miscalculated that, but
until Christmas, right? 19. Yes, 19 days left until Christmas. It's obviously been a very long weekend because I had to use my fingers to count 19 plus 5. Just really good.
But it is Monday, and you've just joined us on Pea and Claudia, BluTable Podcast. Claudia, how have you been?
Oh, it's been so good, and it's been so hot. I officially had my first swim for the summer over the weekend, so that was really nice. And yeah, I'm just very much looking forward to just spending my time this summer out and about, outdoors, getting a tan on, maybe doing some fitness workout, which I always say I will, but I never do. But I can see the producers just like laughing at me. No, but it's been a really good weekend and spent some nice quality time with my family and stuff.
Yeah, it is always important to spend quality time with your family and friends. And you know what? It's been an interesting weekend for myself as well. It's been really busy. We have been here at the new office, getting all the t-shirt orders ready, but it's been really fun. Managed to drag along my family, who was also here behind us as well. So if you hear a little child crying, please, we are sincerely sorry that we have turned Pea and Claudia into a daycare as well for the day, but we can't. Yeah,
that's the beauty, I think, of Bluwave. It's very much a family business, and you have the liberty here to bring your personal things to work. So not calling your kids things, but if you
it's a thing today. She's a thing today. Where's her dad, by the way? I'm wondering.
But it's just great that you have the liberty of bringing your kids here, and I know some of us bring schoolwork here as well and stuff.
Yeah.
So it's very much a whole entire family affair. And as we can hear there, someone said "Mom." They are just down there having a good time colouring in, I believe, and having some McDonald's, and I can smell it. And I wish I could have some McDonald's down too.
But it is Christmas, and our kids are, wrapping it up with school. It's been such a difficult year for them. But it's how they're quite resilient. So now we've had to kind of make sure that they're, wherever I go, they go.
Oh, definitely. Now, today it is going to be a special show, so we are just going to talk about all things Christmas, because there are only 19 days left. But I also want to put a question out there to all the viewers, because Pea and I, it is coming towards the end of the year, and we are starting to feel a little bit tired now, and we are very much looking forward to that nice long break over summer and New Year's. So I'm going to ask you guys, what gets you out of bed on a Monday, especially after you've had a long week? You may have not recovered over the weekend. What do you do on a Monday morning to motivate you and get out of bed? So we are going to go into a quick break, and then when we come back, we are going to talk all things Christmas. All things Christmas.
Let us know your top tip, because I know if you're watching, you're probably wondering, what's the deal with Christmas? Let us know, did you go out on the weekend? Because I was meant to go out on the weekend, but I didn't. But it's okay, because I'm not going to dwell on it, and I'm not going to be upset about it. I already had my events.
Yeah.
So if you're meant to take me on a date on the weekend, shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. That's it. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. We are going to talk a little bit about Christmas tips and find out who gifted us these awesome, cute gifts from Samoa. Stay tuned, guys.
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga pitusili o le tau. Ole lafo me o le pepa tala oloa. Ona whaanga le whaatau i oloa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai e le sa so tua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaatau ma me te mga o ai. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pamata ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo pie, a me se le tferwa I malo telefoni tai mi uma. Ai lo le la fo merkes o na ino le tama o le ainga.
Ia whapea tu lava le talo pawata mo le foi au nang fau patai. Malu lava le tampai.
Tai talo pamata. Teki talo pamata.
Welcome back. Woo! I was like, we over the weekend we got a aircon installed, and I'm sitting here going, okay, it's really hot, and I'm looking over and I'm like, is it menopause already for a very young female? Actually, no, it wasn't. It's I think it automatically switched off, right? But I'm not too sure, but I don't know how to use it. But a massive shout out to the team who installed our aircon over the weekend. And I have a surprise. I have a little reindeer. Say hi, everyone. Hi. I really am sorry that we have a child here today. So we just plonk her over here.
Oh, you can barely see
her. Here, that's all right. Come. Well, might as well bring up Lily. Lily, come and say hi to everyone. So we have Lily here. There we go. So yes, and you can now sit down and do your colouring.
Like, how many kids are going to pop out from there?
Yeah, so we do have the kids here, and a massive shout out to Tassie who's just tuned in, also to Vasa, Mina and Bronson. A massive shout out to you all who did another epic job there for the vaccination drive. But we do apologise that we went through. They said that it was not the same.
No.
No. So yeah,
that's quite nice.
But Vasa, did you go out on the weekend?
Yes, Vasa. I saw on the little story that Pea was supposed to be taken out over the weekend, but they didn't follow through, and that's not very nice.
My date was cancelled over the weekend, and that's okay. I'm not going to dwell on it. So also a massive shout out to Milo, to Ena Sam Yakopo, and Kasi Leth. Sorry if I've pronounced your name incorrectly, but we're just talking about Christmas. But before we get into the whole Christmas talk, let's say a massive thank you to all of our sponsors. The beautiful Falute of Pacific 40, Pacific 40 Talofa voucher. If you haven't purchased your gift this year for someone in Samoa, anywhere in the world, whatever you're doing at the coffee shop, whatever, you can do your shopping in Samoa with a talofa voucher. So call your cousins overseas. I know, boko kelea kakokanga Samoa, call the cousin, and say, cuz, send me se talofa voucher. Otherwise, we've got Maoto Samoa who also accept talofa voucher. Our friendly team there who, oh my gosh, hand on heart, have always been there since day one. And of course, we've got the generator who can generate your new business idea. So check it out. If you've got a new business idea, you can check it out. She wants to have a look. Say, okay, hi again, yay! So check it out with the generator. Otherwise, search it up. Give us a call if you're looking to set up a website. Those quick plugins. And of course, we've got the beautiful florist calendars, your koko calendars. Don't forget to support your local.
Definitely. Now, talking about calendars and talking about Bluwave and printing jobs, we are going to show you some beautiful, beautiful frames that were done here at Bluwave, and it's just going to give you a little taste of what you can give people this Christmas. Yeah, that's I love that. And I was just thinking, COVID has proved that it's quite difficult. It's been 2 years now since we've been to Samoa, all travelled outside. And what else do we want? So check that out. You can get, we're still doing cultural photo shoots. So if you want to capture the memory, those treasured moments, do it with Bluwave. So this is actually the perfect, if you gave me this, more guys, honestly. More. So cultural photo shoots, Christmas photo shoots,
get your family in pajamas, come through.
And guys,
How
the
cool
great
is
things
that?
about this is that you can take photos of those beautiful memories and lock it into place and have it on display in your home.
Yeah.
I'm serious, and I promise you that every time that someone walks into your home and you have one of these beautifully framed cultural photo shoots, they're going to stop and stare and compliment you.
Yeah.
And who doesn't like a nice compliment?
No, and it really is. I mean, 2 years not being able to see family, it's been quite emotional. But it's different when the borders were open. But you appreciate these treasured moments when you have it captured. So do it before it's too late.
Definitely. And talking about borders opening, the Auckland borders are opening next Wednesday, the 15th of December. So that's one border down, one border closer to Samoa. So yay!
Honestly, keep an eye out for our show. You never know. You never know.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I feel like it's that TikTok. They're not going to know. They're not going to know.
Will they know?
How will they know?
How will they know?
How will they know? How will you know? You need to stay tuned into our show. We do have so much planned for the new year as well. Never know. You never know when we might do guys, we have a trip to Samoa. But you won't know if you don't continue to tune into our show every single day. Right?
Yes, Talia just looked at me. She was like, "What? Are we going somewhere? Not yet,
But we will
we're
be.
going soon." And yes, I'm not talking to myself, guys. For everyone that's just tuned in, we've got the beautiful little Talia just sitting next to us. So,
Yeah.
but yes, no. So talking about Samoa, we were so graciously gifted these handmade sanitizers from Samoa, and
Yeah.
I don't know if you've noticed, but nowadays we have to sanitize our hands quite often, and my hands have been getting a little bit dry from all those nasty chemicals that I put in. So I am so keen to try out these handmade hand sanitizers that still kill the bacteria and viruses.
Yep, so this was a product of Samoa. It's from Scientific Research Organization, so SROS. I think I said that right. SROS in Samoa. So massive, and they smell so good.
So good.
So support your local. Thank you so much, Mama, for bringing these all the way from Samoa for our team here at Bluwave. We absolutely love it, the meal offers from Samoa. So don't forget to check out your local, but it smells so good. And you know what? From the scientists there overseas.
Erai has tuned in. Hi, Erai. Erai has said, let the kids take over the show. And I think that's not a bad idea at all. I think it'll be a very fun show if we just have the kids take over.
No, we better not.
So here's the question, guys. How many of you guys think that Talia actually looks a lot like Bear? Because I feel like they look a lot alike. If you haven't met Fala, Bear's husband, your daddy's watching as well. I just think Talia looks so much like Bear. Bear has mentioned that Talia does have her attitude.
Say hi to everyone.
That's a good thing or not.
Say hi.
Hi. Yay.
Say, everyone say blow kiss to everyone. Mwah. Blow kiss.
Oh.
There we go. Thank you so much for stealing the show today.
There's
We're
some
just
Monday motivation for you.
But Christmas. What do we do for Christmas?
What do we do? Especially, have you guys started your Christmas shopping yet? Because I am still yet to start. But I've noticed that a lot of families this year, instead of buying multiple gifts, they're actually just buying one big gift for a Secret Santa, which I think is really nice.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you've been doing this, but then they're sending each other like their Christmas wish list. And so they're actually going to get something that they really want. And a lot more people I've noticed, and thank you so much, have also been putting down items that are sourced locally and the supports of supporting local, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, we were discussing over the weekend what is the perfect gift, and I know with COVID that's hit, as our family we've made sure that we've kind of like one person does the toys, the other person does educational toys, another
That's
person
quite smart.
another person does clothing. So clothing is probably the most important thing, especially during Christmas, because we want to make sure that we are buying things that's not going to go to waste. So I think for children this year, we've clothing has been quite important because they've outgrown it. And it's not too, I think that this year, it's the presents. I think making sure that you have your family around you and that you capture, those special moments. Because I think a couple of years ago we did also vouchers.
Yes. That's pretty cool. You choose what you want, right?
Yeah. Time vouchers is probably the one that I give out the most. You get to spend 2 hours worth of money at the park, because a lot of my time is with work and social events, fundraisers. So I just kind of had to, it's kind of a little bit embarrassing for me to do up a voucher for my time. It's a little bit so
I've seen
far.
these vouchers, like especially like in American movies when it's like an IOU voucher.
Yes.
Cute. I didn't realize people did that in their adult
Yeah, well, I've been,
It's so cute.
I've been doing it in my adult age only because it's been, it's actually quite important. I think time is still the most valuable and probably the most precious gift.
Because you can't buy time, can you?
No, you can't.
You can't buy time either.
But we've had Vasa think about the money I get paid after clocking those hours. I'm not too sure what that one was actually.
I don't know, but do you want to buy us lunch?
But Vasa, what is your idea of the perfect Christmas and the perfect Christmas day gift? And Talia is still annoying.
She's onto the fries now.
She's onto the fries.
Now, here's a question for all you guys and girls, actually. Yeah, we're going to ask it to the boys and the girls. If a girl says to you, don't worry, I don't want a Christmas present this year, is she lying or is she being genuine? And do you still get her a gift or do you not get her a gift? If someone, I don't know, if your girlfriend said to you, don't worry, babe, I don't want a Christmas present this year, and you don't get a Christmas present, do you think it's going to be a happy day for you?
My advice, get her a present. Get him a present. Those words, they're just being polite. What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's a trap.
It's a trap. It's a trap.
It is definitely a trap. But I've had a few friends actually be told by their significant others to not worry about presents this year because all they need is each other and they want to save and all that. And I'm like,
gosh, there we go with the lies again.
Is it
Stop
genuine?
lying to yourself.
Is it really genuine, guys?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No. If you ever hear me saying, don't worry about presents this year, I'm lying. I'm just being polite. I do want a present. And I think even if it's something small, so even if it's a box of... No, I'm not going to say a box of chocolate.
Actually, no, don't say a box of chocolate. I feel like a box of chocolate is always a cop-out gift.
Yeah.
Because you can get a box of chocolate for like $5. Yeah.
But if it is a box of chocolate that you have handmade yourself...
With natural ingredients.
Natural ingredients made with love, I will happily accept that present from you. What do you want for Christmas, Talia? She just wants to ruin my work day today. Yay! It's all right. So Talia's going to turn around here.
Oh, I think I'm going to get myself some McDonald's for lunch today.
Yeah.
But
Tussie's saying she's lying. Yes, Tussie, I agree.
Yeah.
Thank you for your honesty.
Yeah. I feel like, if your significant other says that to you, abort mission, it's a trap. Go buy them the most expensive gift that you can afford.
Because I tell you what, your partner, your significant other will ruin your Christmas.
And they'll remember this for the rest of your life. And then like every other Christmas, they'll be like, do you remember that day that you didn't get me a Christmas present?
It was 2021. Mm-hmm. Do you remember?
And they'll probably be like, we had just had the most longest lockdown ever and I was really stressed out and I was really waiting for that Christmas present. And they'll completely forget that they were the ones that told you to not get them a present. So no, yes, it's a trap, guys.
It's a trap. But what about our men? What is the perfect gift for our men this year? I think what I would normally get is a T-shirt.
See, it's very hard to.
Can I get a thumbs up from the producers? Is a T-shirt a good thing to get the guys for
Socks?
Socks.
Oh, no,
what-
shoes. I was like, you want socks? Okay, no.
I can do socks.
No. So yeah, their facial expressions on getting a guy a t-shirt was like, "Meh."
Was it okay? So we're gonna go shoes
Shoes.
as a yes. So
Yeah. Apart from shoes, what else can you buy a guy? PlayStation, Xbox, Wii. Yes, we're getting 4 thumbs up there.
okay, so they want a game.
Games.
Okay.
Okay, so shoes, games. Is there anything else? Food?
Oh,
A date?
date night.
Does
Yeah,
a
we could
guy
do a
really
date
want a
night.
date night though?
No, I don't think they want a date night.
Oh, no, yes. Apparently, yes. No, yes. One of our producers is looking for a date, guys. If you want to know who, just send us a DM.
So a date night is probably another good gift idea for. What about cologne? This is, and I'm not lying, and I'm not trying to. I've been going for my walks. I think for almost about 4 weeks now. There hasn't been much of a difference, but it's been helping. Going out for a walk, and I've been walking past a lot of guys who have been training. God, they smell good.
Is it their natural pheromones though? Or is it their cologne? I don't know. I'm just asking.
I think it's their cologne. Okay, everyone's been training to the gym and it's quite,
Yeah. I know that smell.
it's that smell. But for 4 weeks, I've been going out for a walk, and Camp Sladden is, the stairs, and you kind of have to stop. And man, the cologne actually smells really, really good.
So here's another question though. Is it safe to buy cologne for someone else? Because what if they don't like the scent? But then on the other hand, if you're buying cologne for your significant other, then it's probably more important that you like the smell, right?
Yes.
So it's like, which one do you go for?
The one that you like.
Because who else is going to smell it, right?
Yeah. Well, the person that runs past you at when you're training, because I have to admit, the guy, man, and the woman, actually, the women have done a really awesome job. Okay, Talia, say hi, everyone. Say hello. My name is Talia. And I have a Frozen dress on.
She's so
and
cute.
I'm at work with Mummy. Are you working today, Talia? And you have a jacket? Yes.
She's so
Where's
cute,
your ears,
honestly.
Talia? Where's your ears? Oh, wow.
I think she's going to be a good little model.
Oh, okay. And where's your ears, Talia? Good girl. Okay, say bye, everyone. Okay, okay. Now can you sit here now, Talia?
I think Talia has a future in
Nope.
TV.
She's enjoying this.
Yeah.
She's enjoying the attention. But I think,
An actor, a TV
I
host.
definitely think men probably,
So
women
far
are
for
quite
men.
easy.
Women are so easy, but for men, I always find it really hard to buy. So you can get either. Okay, so you can get cologne, games. What was the other one?
Shoes,
Shoes,
socks,
food,
date nights.
date nights. Is there anything else? No, we've said games already.
So that's the
See, I feel like even guys find it hard to kind of choose what they want for Christmas. Because for girls, there's just so much money.
yeah. What is your perfect gift idea
For a guy,
for a girl?
for a girl, it really depends on the person.
Yeah.
I either go jewelry, makeup, clothes, or perfume.
Yeah, I think jewelry. I don't know, but I'm in love with diamonds. White, gold, diamonds. So that's a hint.
Hello, I hope you're watching. Oh, Tussie said a watch for a guy.
Oh,
That's a good
yes.
idea, actually, yeah.
But
A holiday home.
holiday back home.
Oh, right. I was like, you want us to buy them a house?
Or
So these are suggestions that we're getting from our male producers. So not a holiday home unless you can afford it, I guess.
I'm gonna be Tussie. You know
Trip
what?
back home.
I love that, a watch, because then maybe the men in our lives can.
No, I feel something.
I'm not gonna say it. Just
Say it.
saying
Say it.
that when you,
Say it.
so you're on time.
Here we go. You
But
said it.
I love that.
Yeah, watch. Actually, no, I think
A
females
watch.
I definitely like a really nice watch. I'm not wearing mine today, but
Yeah.
I definitely like a nice watch.
Females, I think they're quite, I think definitely jewelry, but make sure that you get the right one, because I got jewelry one year that I absolutely hated, and I said I don't like it. I actually said it in my face. I was like,
Yeah. I've had that happen to me as well.
so if you're not 100% sure, don't waste your money on something that could potentially break your heart. So, yeah, maybe just ask or get some hints. But I'm going to drop my hints.
Take her shopping with you, and then you can see where her eye kind of lingers.
But I love that, Tussie. Send us your address. We will see if we can get a sponsor to sponsor you on watch. Comment below what other gift ideas you have. But some cost-effective ones. Just remember that, you know, there are like little hampers. And you've got the local businesses who have hampers that they're getting organised as well. So the hampers is also a good idea. Right?
Mom.
Yes, okay. And let's... There we go, Talia.
trendy.
Let's put some glasses on there. Do you want to say hi now with your glasses on? Once again, we do apologise that we have a extra guest that we didn't invite today, but she's here. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Okay, and this one, right? Okay, there we go. Say hi, Auntie Lena. There we go. Once again, thank you so much to everyone who has been patient with our show today. Yes, Talia. Okay, I think we should wrap up the show.
She did so good though, and I really think she's got a future in TV. But thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in today. It is Monday, first day of the week, so make the most of it and make this whole entire week count. And we'll see you again tomorrow, guys. And yes, please, if you're out there doing your Christmas shopping, please support your local, and also thank you to all our sponsors that made this show possible today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. God bless. So far, so far. Lucas, say bye.
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāu. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le e whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai e le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia po i sawe mo mawina le fui awong nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaakau ma me te mga oai. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo voucher ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo pie. A me se le te wherua i mana o telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash o na inu e le tama o le ainga.
Whapea tu lava le talo for voucher mo le fui awong nang fo whaatai. Ma lua langa le taumpai.
Tai talo voucher. Teki talo voucher.
For the next generation of growers and farmers in the Pacific, may you find your own rhythm on the land. May you grow and teach others how to grow with love. May your skills and intuition continue to nourish, nurture, and advise those who need it.
ta foi le ma to te se ke ina fo ila ta van ma to te sepala ya foi swa mo la ta van a fai foi vai pa olosa a wala te poli ma to te sepala ya foi e mo ta van Molo no posila fia. Mua ta pela ta vale pe out. Lua ta pela o telefone ir tai me utu ina ila ta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua I fa saina lo ta makta pa ai no fuanga pa pe. Otta Samoa. Ole motta mo Samoa. Ma do te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Aftaila fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.